Hello, Namaste. Welcome to our Tulu class. Now we are going to learn Tulu numbers. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ತುಳು numbers ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. Okay. In Tulu has a script. Tulu has a script and it's a separate number set also is there. But now I am going to teach only the spoken Tulu. Okay. So I am not teaching the script. There will be separate class for learning the script. If you want, you can join to that class. Okay, the course is available on our website also. Okay, numbers. So just listen and repeat. Okay, first I will say once. After that I will give the time to repeat it. Okay. Okay, now 1 onji, 2 raddu, 3 மூஜி, 4 4 5 5 6 ஆஜி, 7 7 8 என்மா, 9 ஒரும்பா, 10 10 ஒஞ்சி ரெண்டு மூஜி 4 5 ஆஜி 7 என்மா ஒரும்பா 10. Okay, now how we can remember these numbers very easily with the memory method. Okay, I will share my screen. Where is screen? Okay, this, see, I have given some hint to remember. Okay, in this way you can remember easily. 1 1 O-N-E 1 alla, same way O onji, you write this template as it is. Okay, one or twice with the memory pegging. These are the memory hints. Okay, onji, we can see onji here. O onji, rad, the 2 is here, no, rad, muji muji, nalu, L, last L is like L, I, ai n, in, now shape of the draw shape of the number in. Aji, aag, aji aji, ஏழு ஏழு, small big ஏழு, ஏழு, see L, enuma, E-N-M, A, enuma, enma, see the shape enma. Okay, orumba, O, consider this orumba. Orumba is there, orumba. Pat, if you keep closer, it will become P, then pat. Okay, in this way you can store it on our memory and recall very easily. Okay, onji, raddu, மூஜி, 4 5 ஆஜி, 7 என்மா ஒரும்பா 10. Okay, onji, repeat with me, onji, raddu, மூஜி, 4 5 ஆஜி, 7 என்மா ஒரும்பா 10. ஒஞ்சி ரெண்டு மூஜி 4 5 ஆஜி 7 என்மா ஒரும்பா 10. Okay, with one levels speed up. ಒಂಜಿ ರಡ್ಡ್ ಮೂಜಿ ನಾಲ್ ಐನ್ ಆಜಿ ಏಳ್ ಎನ್ಮ ಒರ್ಂಬ ಪತ್ತ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಒಂಜಿ ರಡ್ಡ್ ಮೂಜಿ ನಾಲ್ ಐನ್ ಆಜಿ ಏಳ್ ಎನ್ಮ ಒರ್ಂಬ ಪತ್ತ್. ಒಂಜಿ ರಡ್ಡ್ ಮೂಜಿ ನಾಲ್ ಐನ್ ಆಜಿ ಏಳ್ ಎನ್ಮ ಒರ್ಂಬ ಪತ್ತ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ಲಿ repeat like this in this speed. Okay. Next, now reverse order. 1 to 10 is very important. All the numbers based on this only. And 1 to 100. 1 to 100, if you know, no, the most of the things is the combination of this 1 to 1, 1 to 10, and 10 to 100. Okay, so you make pakka this one. Okay, reverse order learn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. பத்து ஒரும்ப என்ம ஏழு ஆஜி ஐனு நாலு மூஜி ரெண்டு ஒஞ்சு. பத்து ஒரும்ப என்ம ஏழு ஆஜி ஐனு நாலு மூஜி ரெண்டு ஒஞ்சு. ஓகே, காம்பினேஷன் ஒஞ்சி ரெண்டு மூஜி நாலு ஐனு ஆஜி ஏழு என்ம ஒரும்ப பத்து. ಒಂಜಿ ರಡ್ಡ್ ಮೂಜಿ ನಾಲ್ ಐನ್ ಆಜಿ ಏಳು ಎನ್ಮ ಒರ್ಂಬ ಪತ್ತು. ಒಂಜಿ ರಡ್ಡ್ ಮೂಜಿ ನಾಲ್ ಐನ್ ಆಜಿ ಏಳು ಎನ್ಮ ಒರ್ಂಬ ಪತ್ತು. Okay, this way you have to learn. It's very easy. If you're not able to recall 5, then you have to ain. Next, say ஏழு ஏழு el l. This recall this 7, then it will come ஏழு l. Okay, this way you can remember very easily. Okay, thank you. Next class we will learn 10 to 100.